Hello everyone. Now we will start with a procedure. There is a post-operation procedure. It takes 3 hours. Means 3 hours it is. Donor kidney will be placed in the lower abdomen. Firstly, we have to the donor means who are giving that kidney. We have to place that kidney in the lower abdomen. Then arteries, veins from the recipient body is connected to the new kidney. Means later on, the arteries and veins are getting connected to the new kidney, which are going to be transplanted in that affected ones. Okay. Final step is to connect the ureter and the new kidney. Means the last stage of that means final stage. We have to take that ureter pipe, means ureter whatever you are that doing, that ureter pipe, and connect it to that new kidney. Now new kidney start function immediately. Okay, it will start. Okay, this is a process and it have to start only, and it take 3 to 5 days to start up, and it taking to 7 to 15 days proper function. Okay, now later on we will see the diet. Means what we have to take diets in that. Means we have to avoid grapes, pomegranate, and green tea products, and we have to monitor the for the kidney reaction. We also see that if the kidney having improper functions or not. We have to daily checkups also. Complications, what we have to be seen that the complications are, there is the transplant and rejection. Okay, rejection also is there because the donor kidney sometimes it the acceptor is suddenly it not telling the recipient it not accepting, but later on halfly it getting that some discontinuations, it getting rejections, infection and sepsis. Sometimes it getting infected part, means the proper sanitations is not done, then there will be the infections also. Post translational lymphoprolific disorder, some disorders there, electrolyte imbalance if there, and some genic side effect. Okay, hirsutism is also there. Means if for example, one person, the donor having some genetic defect, and it's due to passes through that kidney, etc, etc, all that. Okay, next is the prognosis. What is the prognosis? Kidney transplantation in the life extending procedure. A patient may have lived up to 15 years longer with a kidney transplanted, that if kept in a dialysis, patient will have a more energy and less restricted diet and fewer complications due to the means the person who are going to be die due to the kidney problems. It can be lives up to 15 years, and having, but you have to maintain its diet and after the kidney transplant. Statistic, the statistic we have see that kidney transplant, live kidney transplant is 194 and decreased from 1 in 2018. The study is going on. The kidney donor are there 383 number of kidneys, and from the decreased it is 40. Now the Karnataka has the highest live donor, that is 155. Tamil Nadu has the highest decreased donor, that is 6, and Tamil Nadu has recipient highest, that is 94, and some states have less recipient and donor and okay. Now summary, as you can read that summary. Okay, this is the references. Thank you.